Hey YouTube world, this is BClaud87 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood portfolio. Now today, we're going to be looking at the companies I hold, the amount of shares I own, the dividends I have pending, the dividends I've received in the last 30 days, and last but not least, I'll be buying $20 worth of Microsoft using the brand new Fractional Shares feature. Now if you'd like to join me in my Robinhood investing journey, please use my link below in the description box to download the Robinhood app, get one free stock, and start investing in the stock market on your own. With that said, my portfolio is currently valued at $4,225. Now it's up today $46, which equates to 1.13%. Now for the week, it's actually down $195, which is 4%. For the past month, it's down $88, which is a little over 2%. For the last 3 months, it is down $806, which is about 16%. And for the past year, it's down $464, which is a little over 9%. But that is how the stock market goes. It has its ups and it has its downs. But the benefits of being a long-term investor, which is what I am trying to be, it doesn't matter as far as when the market is up or down, just as long as you just keep increasing your position in certain reliable stocks. And, as long as they continue to pay your dividends, you should be good in the long run. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the companies that I hold. Now, first one up, we got AGNC, and I have 52 shares of AGNC. Okay. Next, we got Bank of America, and I hold 10 shares of Bank of America. After that, we got LTC Properties, and I hold 1 share of LTC Properties. After that, we got HP, Hewlett Packard. I own 10 shares of HP. After that, we got ticker symbol HTGC, Hercules Capital, and I own 62.455894 shares of Hercules Capital. As you can see, I use some fractional shares. I use the fractional shares feature in order to purchase that 0.455%. But as I mentioned a little earlier, I'll be going into the fractional shares a little bit later in the video with Microsoft. Next up, we got ticker symbol T, which is AT&T. I have 10 shares of AT&T. After that, we got Coca-Cola. I own 3 shares of Coca-Cola. After that, we got the ETF SPHD. I hold 10 shares of SPHD. After that, we got Pfizer. I own 2 shares of Pfizer. After that, we got Stag Industrial. I own 7 shares of Stag. After that, we got the ETF SPYD. I hold 2 shares of SPYD. After that, we got Cisco. I hold 4 shares of Cisco. After that, Starbucks. I hold 1 share of Starbucks. After that, Disney. I hold 2 shares of Disney. Next off, we got Enterprise Products, the energy company. I own 3 shares of EPD, Enterprise Products. After that is Intel. I hold 1 share of Intel. Next off, we got Microsoft. I hold 2 shares of Microsoft. as you can see. Then we have ticker symbol O, which is Realty Income. I hold 3 shares of Realty Income. After that, we got ticker symbol JNJ, which is Johnson & Johnson. I hold 1 share of Johnson & Johnson. After that, we got Nike. I own 1 share of Nike. After that, we got Walmart. I hold 1 share of Walmart. And last, ticker symbol PG, Procter & Gamble. I hold 1 share of Procter & Gamble. Now that is a total of 22 companies that I'm currently holding. And now all the companies that I hold pay their shareholders dividend payments. So no matter what the stock market does, when you invest in dividends, as long as the company has a good balance sheet and does not go bankrupt, I'll always receive a dividend payment either quarterly or monthly. The more shares I hold, the more dividend payments I receive. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the pending dividend payments that I have. As you can see, we got ticker symbol PFE, which is Pfizer. I'm going to be paid for 2 shares of Pfizer. Next off, we got Walmart. It's currently pending. I have 1 share of Walmart. Then we got Intel. I got 1 share of Intel pending. Starbucks. I got a share of Starbucks, 1 share. That's pending the payment. Let's see, we got Procter & Gamble. My 1 share of Procter & Gamble. That dividend payment is pending as well. Stag, I'm going to be paid for 7 shares of Stag that I own. That is pending. Realty Income, I got 3 shares pending with Realty Income. Those the payments for 3 shares. Now let's go ahead and look at the past 30 days, whatever I received. Okay, I've already received a payment for 3 shares of EPD. I received a payment for 52 shares of AGNC. I received a payment for holding 10 shares of AT&T. I received payment for holding 1 share of LTC Properties. I received payment for holding 8 shares at the time of SPHD. Cisco, I received a payment for holding 3 shares of Cisco. And Stag, I received a payment for 6 shares of Stag at the time. So yeah, those are the dividend payments that I've received the past 30 days. And these are the dividend payments that I have pending that I'm going to be receiving. All right. So now this is the part that I'm super excited about, everybody. Now I'm going to be using the brand new feature that I just got, I want to say like 2 days ago, Fractional Shares. Now the Fractional Shares is definitely something that I was waiting for. With Fractional Shares, instead of buying the whole share, if a particular company, like as far as like the price, if it's still like a little high, or just if you don't quite have all the money needed to buy 1 full share, you can now purchase just a piece of it, which is a fractional share. The fractional shares, it definitely took a while for Robinhood to roll it out for me. I remember at one point I was like 2 million in line. But again, as I mentioned, as of the like 2 days ago, I received the notification saying that I was officially off the waiting list. So I was super ecstatic about that. And now, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and purchase. We'll just buy $20 worth of Microsoft. As you can see right now, Microsoft is valued at $177. I already hold 2 shares of Microsoft, which I purchased at $147. So I definitely took advantage when it dipped low and I jumped on two. In hindsight, I wish I had bought more, but I mean, I guess I wasn't aware just how long or how short that dip was going to last. There's a good chance it's probably going to go down a little bit more. If it does go down a little bit more, I definitely will be purchasing a number of full shares. But in the meantime, I just want to go ahead and just purchase about $20 worth. As you can see right now, my total return is I'm up $60, which is about 20%. Again, as I mentioned, my average cost is $147 and the price is currently $177. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and just buy $20 worth of Microsoft using the brand new feature Fractional Shares. So I'm going to go ahead, trade, buy. Okay, you're going to go to dollars. Now, here it is. This is the new feature. You want to hit buy in dollars. Now, as I mentioned, it's going to be $20 worth. So we're going to go ahead and hit the $20 worth. Okay, there's a share. Swipe up. And it's as easy as that. Bam. So I now hold 2.112849 shares of Microsoft. Let's see, my average cost is now 148. And yeah, like that's all it is to it, to use the brand new feature Fractional Share. If you have a Robinhood account and you're in line for the Fractional Shares, just be patient. Trust me, I had never thought that I was going to be coming off the waiting list, but it just happened. So I'm definitely super appreciative of that. And I definitely plan to use that feature to increase my position in a number of different companies, especially, if I don't have the full amount to buy a full share, or even if I feel like a company is still a little overvalued as opposed to, paying that full amount. I think I'll just go ahead and just buy a fraction of it. And as I go down to the Microsoft ticker symbol, you can see the difference to 2.11 shares. Yep. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the BClaude87 channel. Make sure that you click the thumbs up. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. And don't forget to click my link in the description box to download the Robinhood app. Get one free stock and start investing in the stock market today. Financial freedom is the goal, and I appreciate your time. If you took the time out of your day to watch this video, be blessed and stay safe. Peace.